Whether you drive an SUV, sports car, big or small car, we'll get flat tires occasionally. Don't worry, just follow these 10 easy steps to change it. First, park your car somewhere safe and away from other traffic. Park on a flat, hard surface. Okay, now it's time to get everything you need. First, turn on your hazard lights and put your car in park if it's automatic, or in reverse if it's manual. Then apply the parking brake and turn off the engine. If you have a reflective warning triangle in your trunk, set it up behind your car. If you are on a highway road or it's dark, put the triangle further away to make it easier for other drivers to see. Take your owner's manual from your glove box in front of the passenger seat and review the details before you start to change your tire. If you have tire blocks, place them under the wheel that is diagonally opposite the flat tire. Now, grab the spare tire and jack kit from the trunk. Step 3. Remove the wrench by turning the hex nut counterclockwise. This will lower the jack and loosen the lock. Step 4. Loosen each of the nuts, like this, but don't remove them yet. A half-turn counterclockwise should do it. Step 5. Place the jack under the jack point near the flat tire. Once the jack is securely in place, you can start to crank it up. Now turn the handle clockwise until the tire is completely off the ground. That should do it. With the wheel off the ground, pull off each of the nuts and change the flat tire with the spare. For safety, don't get under the car. Now put the nuts back on again, but don't fully tighten them yet. Step 8. Lower the car back down by turning the wrench counterclockwise. Then pull the jack away. And tighten up each of the nuts by turning clockwise as far as you can go. Perfect. Finally, fold the wrench with the bracket of the jack and adjust the height until the hook fits in the hole. Please secure your flat road tire according to instructions in your owner's manual. Put the reflective triangle back in your trunk. And don't forget to remove the blocks. Also, remember that most spare tires are smaller than normal, so it's not safe to drive too fast or too far. And go to an authorized service center to get your tire replaced as soon as possible. That's it. You're all done.